Yo, we back for another video. This your boy, RT the Joke. And we back for another one. Before we get into it, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And make sure you tapped in to all the future uploads, all the future content. You did? Shout out to everybody that's been tapping in. I've been seeing some new channels tapping in. New faces. I've been seeing some of the same channels tapping in on my weekly recap on my studio app. So I appreciate y'all, man. Tap in anytime, man. Feel free to tap in and give me y'all suggestions on what I'm doing. Give me feedback, you know. Let me know if you don't give a damn about what I'm doing, whatever. You feel what I'm saying? All feedback appreciated. But today, man, we finna wash up the Cateye. We're here at the car wash right now. I just pulled up at the car wash. We're finna wash up the Cateye because it's super dirty. And then we going to clean up the deck surface on that Gen4 Silverado. You did with the displacement on demand that we deleting 5.3. You know what I mean? We're gonna clean up that deck surface, but we gotta go get this little brush. I found a method on YouTube that I want to use, so I'm finna go pick up this brush. I already got one of the parts. I had to pick this up right here, but I'm gonna show y'all more when we get over there. You dig? I'm gonna show y'all some more when we get over there. But stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and we're gonna tap back in. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, we back. We got the Cateye cleaned up. Man, my baby looks so good when she clean. Man, look at them. Look at them bullet holes. I can't wait till I get some bigger tires on you boys. Set this thing up a little bit. Man, the Cateye looks so good when she clean. Oh! Wait till y'all see what I do with it. Wait till y'all see what I do with it. Damn, she look clean. My baby clean. Wait till you see what I do with this thing. We're gonna do something special. You know we're gonna do something special. Yes, sir. We got this joker cleaned up though. Now we on the way to the other Silverado to clean that one up. It look like it's gonna rain a little bit, man. So I need to hurry up and go get this brush before it do. Damn. Those moldings on the side coming off. Those gray moldings right there on the doors, on both doors, them coming off. This part right here, we're gonna paint this black. It's gray. You probably can't see it until you get up on it, but it's gray. So we paint both of them black. We're gonna keep this color matched. Since it came color matched, might as well keep it like that. Bow tie coming off. We're gonna do something special, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so we back. We here at the engine. We finna get ready to try this wire wheel. I tried to get the nylon brush, abrasive nylon brush, but they only had it in my Harbor Freight, and I was closer to a Walmart, so I went and picked this up from Walmart, made by heart, and here I go. I'm gonna spray it down real quick first, and then we're gonna see if we can get this thing cleaned up. All right, so y'all stay tuned. All right, we back, y'all. So we just tried this wire wheel. See, we tried it on the timer cover, and we tried it on the valley cover. Now, this is what I think. I definitely need that nylon brush, and this 3-inch is just a tad bit too big in this. It's very tough to control. My cordless ratchet didn't have enough power, And this don't have, it got a little bit too much power. And then this wheel is a tad bit too big. So I should have went with the 2-inch for one. Then two, I need that nylon brush. Because as you can see in a few spots, like, kinda overdid it. I'm painting the valley cover anyway. I'm painting the timing cover anyway. I just wanted to see how it worked before I tried it on the block. But yeah, so I mean, right now I will consider this a fail until we get that nylon brush, nylon abrasive brush, 2-inch, because and then you don't necessarily need no eyewear, but I mean it's recommended to have it. But stuff be flying everywhere. Like you can see every place that I touch, like back there, boom, you can see the stuff. You know what I mean? It look worse on the camera. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have to wipe all that off, spray it down with some brake cleaner. That ain't no problem, but it's just the point. Give this thing a good oil change afterwards. But yeah, that's another downside, man. That stuff get everywhere. Like the stuff be flying everywhere. Like I don't know if you can see like the white stuff that have formed on these things. It have formed up here too. You do it on every piece of my water pump, my tensioner, got that on there. The alternator too, everything. So when it was knocking it off, it was definitely knocking it off. But when it was knocking it off, the stuff was flying everywhere. And then, like I say, you can't leave it in one spot too long. And then this impact, man, it just had a little bit too much power. But then my cordless ratchet didn't have enough power, so I don't know, man. Like I say, I should have got that nylon brush. It's at Harbor Freight, but I wasn't near Harbor Freight at the time, but I see it's definitely gonna be a must. So, yeah, man. So I would call this a fail for the day. I mean, it looked good. I mean, it did its job. It did its job for sure. I tried it. I even tried it on the front right here, just in a few spots. But it definitely do the job. It'll get this thing cleaned up. You would definitely need the set of these for sure. The wheel, this cup, I don't know about this little cup, man, but the wheel for sure. And then they got a little smaller version of this. You definitely need the whole little set, because for different little spots like flat surface, probably cool with the cup. And you might need the other little smaller parts for, you know what I mean? So you definitely gonna need the set. And that's just for the block. I ain't talking about like for the surface and, you know what I mean, for the deck and for the, you know what I mean? Timing cover, valley cover. I wouldn't use this for those, because just, you can see why. Like it's easy for it to get carried away in spots, you know what I mean? Unless then you have to do the whole thing like that finish right there just to get it right, because it's definitely aggressive. But I just want y'all to see what was going on. So I guess we're gonna have to try this again, man. I'm gonna get the nylon brush and yeah, give it a shot again. But like, share, subscribe. We did give it a shot. It didn't work for me. It probably worked for other people. And like I say, because this is in the engine is in the truck. You know what I mean? They're making it a little bit difficult too. It's making it more difficult. But I'm sure if it was out the truck, it would be a whole lot easier to do. Especially if you got a drill that you can change the settings. I don't even think I could change the settings on here, like the speed. But if you got one that could change the speed, that would be great too, because that would help. It'll definitely come in handy when it's time to do something like this. But yeah, Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. We're gonna try this again with the nylon brush, and I feel more safer anyway, man, because it ain't nothing but nylon. So y'all let me know what y'all think, like I said, and thanks for watching. We out.